Hey guys, Sylvia here coming to you from my new bathroom. So if you guys follow my vlogs or my Instagram, you would know that I've been renovating my bathroom. This is really exciting to me because it's my first time renovating anything really. It's so crazy to envision something from scratch and have it come to life, and I am beyond happy with what I have to share with you guys today. I feel like a real adult. I just want to give a shout out to Home Depot for partnering with me on this. I almost never pitch myself to brands, but this one instance I did, and I'm so happy I did because I ended up with a really great partnership. Home Depot for me is something super nostalgic because when I was younger and my dad was doing house renos, I visited Home Depot all the time. So when I was doing my home renos for the first time, I was like, hey, might as well reach out and see if they'd want to partner with me on some stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy my bathroom tour just as much as I'm excited to share with you guys, and let's get straight to it. Upon entering the bathroom doors, this is what you're walking into. And turning to see the full view. So I think what really changes the entire look of the bathroom is these subway tile walls that go throughout the entire bathroom. Originally, we only had tiles in the shower portion, but I really wanted a cohesive look that reminded me of a hotel. So we went with subway tiles. Home Depot had a couple of different types of subway tiles, but we decided to go with the flat ones, and we paired it with a light gray grout. I did not even know that there were so many color options for grout. To go with the subway tiles, we paired it with a marble-like ceramic tile floor, also with the same light gray grout. Home Depot had cool tone options, warm tone options. I feel like this vanity matched my home perfectly because I have a lot of pieces in my home that are very similar to this style, and there's two pretty deep drawers, which is great for storage in my small bathroom. This first drawer is for my hair supplies mostly, so just the tools that I use on the daily, and I just grabbed some existing organizers that I had from other drawers that I'm not currently using and use them as organizers. In this bottom one is more cleaning stuff, so there's some toilet paper, extra toilet paper, some stuff for cleaning, and hand soaps and air fresheners. I think the piece that really makes this bathroom a wow factor is this LED backlit mirror. Home Depot had a lot of different ones available. However, I chose this one because of its really nice dimensions that fit perfectly, I felt, with the vanity. And I love that it has a little button here so that I can turn on and off the vanity light. Because I knew that the vanity light obviously wasn't able to light up the entire bathroom, I also got these kind of like Broadway inspired open lights. Obviously you can't really see because it is overexposed because the lights are so bright, but it's basically kind of like a dressing room light with exposed light bulbs, and I love the look and feel of it. Replacing my medicine cabinet is this shelf right here, and I think that exposed shelves actually force you to be way more organized and less messy, because when you have cabinets and medicine cabinets, you just throw everything in there and then you end up with a lot of stuff in there that you don't really need. So exposed shelves keep me accountable for keeping my place organized and clean. This top section just holds my masks that I'm currently using, and the lower section is more the fundamental things like body lotion, deodorant, and Q-tip, and then of course a nice little bar to hold a hand towel. And because I needed a little bit more space, I put up these shelves so that I could put my hair stuff that I use in the daily. This top section for now just has some fragrances because I didn't really need that extra shelf for hair stuff. Here are more styling products that I'm typically using. And then the shelf is all the dry shampoo and serums that I use on a daily basis. I chose a bathtub that I felt was very clean lined, modern. My old bathtub had a lot of different grooves in it. However, this one is extremely clean lined. It's very angular, rectangular, and to me that makes it feel look just a lot more clean. It's also slightly higher than my old tub, so I feel like that deep soaker look is more mature. I'm currently obsessed with my shower head right now because it is massive. I used to have a tiny shower head, and it's very hard to shower with, and I would love to have gotten a rainfall shower head. However, I just don't think that this is the right space for it, and yeah, I felt like this was more functional. I needed a piece that could come out so that I could easily shower Miyoko as well. So this piece is magnetic here, and it comes right off. I can put it right back on. You guys don't know how hard it is to choose accessories like this because there's just so many options available, and we took a long time figuring out all the little pieces of like faucets and shower heads, etc. Because Home Depot just had so many options and I couldn't choose what I wanted. But a lot of these accessories here, I actually got it in a kit altogether. So Home Depot had this kit of bathroom accessories, and it just worked out because I could just buy all the pieces that I needed in one go. Now this shelf you guys might have seen in my old bathroom setup. I decided to keep it because I still do need space to put all these things because I'm a big product user. The top portion is for the hair. The middle portion is for face products. And then the bottom portion is just body products, and then some accessories there. And my little razor hiding right behind there. And then I just have this towel rack accessory here because I originally had my towels behind the door on a hanging, I guess a hanging rack, and I didn't like the way that it kind of looked on the door and it scratched the door up a lot. This is great because it holds 4 different layers and you can choose the different layers, and then when you're not using it you can also just push it flat right in, so it saves some space as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my bathroom tour, and I want to thank you Home Depot so much for making this bathroom look beautiful and basically my bathroom dreams come true. I could not have done it without them for sure. The experts at Home Depot were really helpful to me because they helped me understand what I needed, what I need to consider for my bathroom, because I've never done any home renovations before.